Rightio, welcome back. In this video, we're just going to take a quick look at adding some social media links to a page using Elementor. Okay, so we'll jump straight in. Here's our project we've been working on. If I just duck over to the sample page here, what we're going to be creating is just these little social media links like we have here. Okay, so we'll jump into our dashboard area, and I think we'll add these links to our home page or front page. So we'll find our home page and we'll go edit with Elementor. So we might just pop some in underneath this text here. So we'll come down to general, I think it's in, and we've got a widget called social icons. So we'll just drag and drop that up underneath our bit of text here. As you can see, it pops in and it's already got 3 buttons there ready for us to use. And over on our menu on the left, we've got our options that we can play with. So basically, social icons are just buttons that go to another website. Just happens to be a social media website of some description. So as you can see, they've already got some in here. Now basically, to edit any of these, we just click on them. So we'll click on the Facebook one. We can change the icon. We can change its color to a different color if we really want to. Obviously, unless you're going for some sort of monocolored theme, you probably wouldn't really change them up too much. But you will have to change the link to reflect where you want the button to take them to. So in our case here, we'll want it to link to some sort of Facebook page. I think I'll just use the Elementor one for expedience. So we'll just copy the link to that page from the browser bar. And we'll just paste that in there. Okay, so now that'll point to the Elementor page. We can just update that to make sure it's saved. And of course, we can do the same thing for the Twitter. And in the case of the YouTube one, just for a bit of shameless self-promotion, I'll put in my page. Now, of course, you're not just limited to those 3 choices. If you click on the Add Item button here, you can add additional links. There's one for WordPress. We can go in and view the icon library to change it up to whichever one we want. So you might want Snapchat or TripAdvisor. There's quite a few in there by the look of it. Steam. So you can pick whichever one you want, depending on who you want to link to. So for now, we'll just pick any old one, insert it, you change the link, and you're done. Rightio. And obviously, if you want to get rid of any of them, you can just click on the X and take it out. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell. The only other options there really are you can change the shape of the button depending on your needs. And of course, the alignment of the widget. So we can move it left, right, or center. Probably left in this case. Okay, and of course, once you've made all your changes and you're happy with them, you click on Update. And we can head back out to the dashboard and have a bit of a preview. So if we visit the site now, Scroll down here on our page, we'll see we've got our social media links. And if we click on any of them, it should open up in a new window with the page that you link to. And that's about it for social links.